So in this video, I'm going to show you how to teach your child to get dressed by themselves. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to teach your child to put a t-shirt on as well as pants on. I'm also going to provide tips on what types of shirts and what types of pants are easiest to learn from, as well as what position your child should be in order to learn how to get dressed by themselves. So the easiest type of shirt for your child to learn from is one that has short sleeves, has a loose fit, and also has a picture on the front, but not on the back. And that's key because your child will use that to make sure that they got the shirt properly oriented on their body. So once your child has gotten their shirt, you'll tell them to take the shirt and lie it face down on their bed. Then tell them to bunch up the back of the shirt to the neck hole. Then they'll bring that to their head and pull it down over their head. Next, they'll take their hand and find the armhole and then push their arm through one sleeve. Repeat on the other side. And then pull down over their body. And then last, tell them to look down to make sure that the picture is on the front. And so the easiest type of pants for your child to learn from are ones that have an elastic waistband as well as a loose fit. You'll want to avoid tights. Also, you'll want to make sure that they have a loose bottom seam. And then lastly, and this is key, you'll want to make sure that there's a picture on the front that is not on the back. And again, that will help them to make sure that they've oriented the pants on their body properly. So after your child has gotten their pants, you'll tell them to sit either at the edge of their bed or in a chair. And so then they will drape their pants with the picture face up across their legs. Then you'll tell them to open the waistband with their thumbs on the inside and then thread each leg through all the way to the bottom of the pants so that way they can see their foot. Then have them repeat that on the other side. Then you'll tell them to stand up. Again, put their thumbs in the inside of the waistband when they're pulling up. Last, tell them to look down to make sure that they can see the picture. And so that's the easiest way to teach your child how to get dressed by themselves. Thanks for watching my video.